orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly the Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Birthday gift unboxing. Gattu Chinky were celebrating their birthday with all of their friends, relatives and colony guests. As soon as Gattu Chinky blow the candles, everyone starts singing the birthday song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Gattu Chinky. Happy birthday to you.
And then Gattu Chinky quickly cut the cake. First, both of them feed the cake to Mummy and Papa, and then everyone.
Okay. I will cut this cake nicely for everyone and bring it back. Till then, Papa will play songs and you all can dance a lot. Yay! Dance!
Then Papa starts playing a lot of songs on the speakers. And everyone enjoys the party a lot. Gattu Chinky eat the yummy snacks made by Mummy and also a lot of cake. After the party ends, all the guests start going back home.
Gattu Chinky, happy birthday again. We had a lot of fun today. Yes, Bunty, we really had a lot of fun. This was my best birthday. Bye, friends.
All the guests leave one by one and Gattu Chinky get tired and lie down on the sofa.
I am very tired of dancing so much today. What an amazing dance I did, Chinky, right? Yes, Gattu. You are the Michael Jackson of Mumbai. Hey kids, don't you guys want to open your gifts?
As soon as Gattu and Chinky hear the name of gifts, they both stand up and say in excitement,
Hey, yes, gifts! Where are they, Mummy? There, I have kept all the gifts in your room. Go and get them. Okay, Mummy.
Gattu Chinky go and bring all the gifts and put them in the living room. This time they got a lot of gifts. Some were very big too. Oh wow kids, so many gifts.
Yes, Papa. Come on, Gattu. Let's open them one by one. Yes, first this blue one. See how big it is. Here it is written by Monty.
Gattu Chinky's laughter disappears on hearing this.
What happened, Gattu Chinky? Why did you both suddenly make a face on hearing Monty's name? Mummy, Monty is very naughty. I have doubts about his gift too. Yes, I don't know what will be inside.
Then open it and see quickly. Gattu Chinky opened the gift. But as soon as they move the gift wrapper, they see a box inside it.
It's such a big box. What will be inside it?
As Chinky opens the box, she sees another box inside the big box. When Chinky opens the second box, she sees another box inside that box. In this way, she keeps opening the gift. And she keeps getting one gift box after the other. Look kids, I think this is the last box. There must be a gift inside it. Here, let me open it and see.
Papa, be careful. This is Monty's gift.
But Papa does not listen to Gattu and quickly opens the box. As soon as Papa opens it, a big fake spider comes out of it, seeing which Papa gets scared. Oh no! What was this?
See, Papa, we already told you so. How much of our time has been wasted?
Oh, these kids nowadays. Then Gattu Chinky opened another gift.
This one definitely has a stuffed toy, Chinky. See how soft it is? Yes, Gattu. It was so easy to guess.
Gattu quickly opens the gift. This gift was from Secretary Uncle. And inside it was a soft toy doll and a monkey.
Oh, wow. This is such a cute plushie doll. I love it. And look at this monkey. It is so cute, Chinky. Yes, Gattu. This looks exactly like you. I wonder from where Secretary Uncle must have taken these cute soft toys. Hey, Gattu, look there. There is a Puntun Kids tag on top of the doll and the monkey. Uncle must have ordered these from Puntun Kids website. Oh, yes, Mummy, you are absolutely right.
Then Gattu Chinky start opening the next gift.
Hey, who gave this? It is written on it, friend who brings our favorite pasta. Hari! This gift is definitely Hari's. He's the only one who always brings our favorite pasta for us. Gattu, quickly open this gift. Let's see what's inside.
Gattu opens the gift. There are 2 matching pencil boxes inside the gift.
Wow, Chinky. Matching pencil box. One is mine and one is yours. Let's open the next gift. This red one. This is from Bua Papa.
Really? Wow, kids. Then open it quickly and see what it is.
Okay.
Chinky opens the gift and sees. There was a table lamp inside it.
Wow, table lamp. I am going to use this at night when Chinky sleeps and I have to complete my homework. Gattu, why don't you complete your homework during the day itself? Yes. Let's see. Now the next gift. This one. This is definitely from Bunty and Goody because it is written on it, from your best friends, Gattu Chinky. Yes, you're right. Let's open it. Chinky, look, there are 2 stuffed toys in it. And see, both of these are looking exactly like us. Wow. Show me. Oh yes, Gattu. This is you and this is me. Wow, they are so cute. Oh yes, kids. These stuffed toys are so cute.
Then Gattu Chinky opened the remaining gifts and see them. Some had an art set, some had new shoes for both of them. Eventually, all the gifts get finished.
Wow, all the gifts are so good. Yes, Gattu. Tomorrow we will call all our friends home and show them these gifts.
Children, but there is still one gift left.
What? Now which gift, Papa? Kids, I and Papa have also brought a gift for you. Wow! Is it true, Mummy? Yes, I will bring it right away.
Mummy goes to her room and takes 2 small gift boxes and gives them to Gattu and Chinky. Gattu Chinky quickly opened the gifts. Both of them had a smartwatch each in their gift.
Wow, Mummy! Smartwatch! This is so cool! Yes, Papa, so cool.
Kids, it has a lot of new features in it, like it can know your heartbeat, and it also counts steps and a lot more of things.
This is very good, Papa. Love you. Thank you so much for this gift. Love you, Papa.
Gattu Chinky hug Mummy Papa and thank them for the gifts. In this way, Gattu Chinky's birthday becomes memorable with all their gifts.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.